My name is Jeremy Sheffers. I'm a veterinary pathologist at the University of Minnesota Veterinary Diagnostic Lab. I grew up on a dairy farm and I've worked at the diagnostic lab for about 15 years. And a majority of my work involves doing animal autopsies and diagnosing animal health problems. Key takeaways from the talk are just reviewing the pathogens that cause calf diarrhea, what we can do about it, hopefully prevent it, and then a few other topics on calf health. I think it's always good to review what's causing the problem and how those pathogens work and how to prevent, hopefully stop them. Just basically to clear some air. If you get a diagnostic report and it says rotavirus on, what does that mean and what do we do about it?